guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the November Manifestation Box and the November Mother Earth Wrap Club by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the November 2023 Manifestation Box and Mother Earth Wrap Club just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and go with the Manifestation Box first, and then we will dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. I love both of these for different reasons. Like, I love the wrap bracelets because they're so small and dainty and just so, normally they're really sparkly. They just look so beautiful, and you always get like one free gift in there. But then this one is really cool too, because you get the bracelet, you get the necklace, you get the healing crystal, plus your astrology. So I just really love both of them for different reasons. So let's go ahead and dive into this one, and I can show you both boxes. So here is the box and how it comes. I love these boxes. I love these colors. Ready to manifest your dreams? Yes, please. So let's go ahead and get inside. When you open it up, there's always a handwritten card right on top. And then this month we have a cute little cactus, which is holding down the tissue paper. So down inside, and ooh, I think last month I told you guys, because we normally get like a lighter blue, and I said they always come in this bag, but once or twice I got a dark blue, which was really pretty. And look, here's that dark blue color that I was saying. I love that color. I mean, I love these bags, plus you can just save them in there, protect your jewelry. You can hang them like on a little hook and stack them up. So I really love these bags, but this color is absolutely gorgeous. I love this darker blue color. So there's that, there's this, and then here is all of the paperwork down inside. So for this one, you do get 2 meditation cards, one for you to gift and one for you to keep, or you can keep them both, but she does give you 2 different ones. So this is this month, and it says, stop being afraid of what could go wrong and start being excited about what could go right. Tony Robbins. That's actually very good. Start thinking of what can happen good instead of thinking of what could go wrong. That is awesome. And then what we're working with for the month, this always changes every single month. You can sit down and read what that is for the month. This month it says, take the leap. How stepping out of your comfort zone can improve your life. There you go. So you have this whole thing that you can read. Plus, you do get your astrology. So when you do sign up, you let them know what your sign is, and then you have your own custom astrology for that month as well. So here is mine for Scorpio, because that is what I am. So I can go through this, and it'll help me, figure out what's going on with me this month. Then you also do get some paperwork that shows you some more about their beautiful jewelry. You can actually purchase everything individual. You do not have to have a subscription, and you can still use my code SheCrafty, and I think that saves you 20% off the online shop as well. So you can purchase keychains, individual crystals, necklaces, there's anklets, there's bracelets, there's so many things, the wrap, the regulars, there's all kinds of stuff available you can purchase at any given time without a subscription. So gift ideas coming up, you can always think of that and use my code to save money. But yes, I love her jewelry. Oh my gosh, she just does amazing with this. So let's go ahead and go into, this is going to be the necklace. Now with this one, you also get to tell them the length of the chain that you would prefer. It's normally on silver. Every now and then you might get a gold tone or like a rose gold tone. It's very rare, but it's mainly silver tone, which I love because that's just me. But you do tell them the length of the necklace and your wrist size. So this is literally custom tailored for you, your astrology, your wrist, and your neck. So it comes down in these boxes, and you can save them in these if you would like as well. They always give you these amazing cards. I love these. Not only is there an actual image on there, so if you ever are trying to think, what is this? You can go through and like look at the pictures and basically match it up, and it tells you about it. Plus they're user friendly. I can pretty much read all of the words on the cards, sometimes just not the name of the crystals, but at least all the verbiage I can pretty much read. And they actually give you a card for every stone that will be in here, and you can keep them. So this month, here is the necklace. It has a mushroom on it. So then here is the card about a mushroom. And then here is the card about the actual stone, which is agate. So this tells you about the mushroom, and that tells you about the actual stone. So look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I don't think I've ever received a mushroom like that, especially a necklace. So that is so cool. I don't think I have any necklaces that are actually a mushroom. So the mushroom symbolizes reincarnation, renewal, revitalization, and change for the better. Mushrooms are seen as symbols of transformation, healing, and rebirth. Mushrooms are capable of growing in the darkest of places and surviving without sunlight or water. They are able to quickly adapt to their environments in order to survive and thrive. A metaphor for resilience and perseverance. So there's the mushroom. The stone then is agate. It is associated with protection, motivation, and strength. It may be used to bring information to the surface that's deeply rooted in the subconscious. Ooh. It can also be used to help rebuild self-confidence, helps us remain calm, rational, and make better decisions, especially when surrounded by chaos. So that is neat. There's both cards for this one necklace. That is just so pretty, you guys. So let me hide this one and I can put this one on. And there we go. There is the little mushroom for this month. That is so cool. Again, I don't have anything like that, so that's really exciting. So down inside of this really cute dark blue, but most of the time it is a light blue bag. Here will be the bracelet and the healing crystal. So let's go ahead and open this, and the cards will be in here as well. So let's get this one out. Oh my gosh. For one, this is absolutely beautiful, and I love that it's just black and white because that can literally go with anything. But then look at the healing crystal. It is this egg. I think I had a smaller egg at one point, and I was like, I want to try to find like a little basket so I can just put all these little eggs in like a little basket. I haven't found that basket just yet, but isn't that adorable? Look at how cool. I love that egg, and I love those colors, the color combination in there. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to say this is this one right here, and looking at that, I'm not even going to try to butcher that name, but I will actually read what it does. I just don't want to try to figure out that name. I can never say things correctly half the time anyways, but that is quite all right. I show you what it looks like. This is used as a stone of strength and protection since ancient times. This is associated with courage, happiness, and clear communication. It bestows stability, self-confidence, and a hopeful attitude. It helps overcome sadness and brings joy that is easily transferred to others. It is believed to restore a measure of order and peace to a previously chaotic life. Wow, nice. I love that. I love the colors. I love the shape. I love that it's a bigger size egg than the small ones that I've received. So I really love that. So now the stone for the bracelet, which looks like this. So you have like all different cuts. Like there's some clear, there's some white, there's some gray, there's some black. That is just, I love those colors. I just really love those colors. Plus it goes with anything. So that would be right here is the crystal for the bracelet. This helps you accept challenges as it opens new ways to live, inspires you to leave or remove anything that is no longer serving you. A power stone for those who need to make vital decisions. It offers a clear state of mind in which you will be able to analyze properly. This quartz rebalances and enhances wisdom. This is an amazing one to have as a bracelet to wear because look at all those amazing things that the stone will do for us. Wow, that is awesome. So this month I am absolutely loving the mushroom, the bracelet, the healing crystal, and everything matches. I love when everything matches. Last month it didn't match too much, but this one is back on track with matching with all of the pieces together. So I am in love with this. Not that I didn't love last month's, but I love when they all match because then you can wear them together. You know what I mean? Like the set. So I really love that. So that is everything then for the manifestation box. Again, you have the 2 meditation cards, the bracelet, the necklace, the healing crystal, your astrology, what we're working with, and you have all of these cards to keep and know what crystal is for what. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for the manifestation box. Now let's go ahead and dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. So for this one, it's mainly for the wrap bracelet. You do get one small gift in here. It could be anything under the sun that is in there, which is a small gift for you, which I think is absolutely amazing because then you get a little surprise as well. This one, you do not get the meditation cards. You do not get the healing crystal. You do not get what you're working with, the astrology or anything like that. It's just the bracelet and the free gift. So it comes down in this right here, which has the logo, the Mother Earth Wrap Club. And then when we pull this out, we have again another handwritten card, and then you have more information on here. Look at those beautiful wrap bracelets, and this one right here is like my all-time favorite. I even bought an all amethyst wrap for my mom for Mother's Day, I believe it was last year, and had it mailed to her, which she loves it. So, and it fit her perfectly. So again, there's so many different things that you can purchase on their website. So you can check that out if you would like. So let's go with the free gift first so we can see what that is. And that is right here. It says essential oil blends. There's that. Let me get this open so we can see what's inside and what it is. Well, actually, I don't know if I want to open this one because I said, when I saw a word. Do you know what that word is? Do you know what that word is? There's two of them. There's actually two of them on here. They're both on here. So on here, it was saying that it is a floral explosion of comforting aromas of jasmine. And I was okay up to that point. Then we get lavender and rose and patchouli. And I was like, okay, so I'm not going to open this because with those other things, I'd rather give this to you guys because I know a whole lot of you guys out there love lavender and rose where I don't. So I'm not going to open this, but it just says that it is essential oil blends. Oh, the bottom actually isn't like a cut thing, so I can actually open the bottom and show you. Okay, so it's one like roller ball, and you put this little guy on top so you can roll it around, and it has all those other flavors and stuff, or scents, I guess you would say, down inside. So it's an oil blend with all of those other essential oils. So yes, this will go, I'll save this for my advent calendar that I'm going to be doing very, very soon for you guys. So that's where that will go, but that is the free gift for this month. And now let's get down inside of the wrap bracelet. Again, it does come in the same type of box. You can keep them in here, store them in here, and oh my gosh, and it's the same one. So yes, now they're back on track with everything matching across the board. I'm so excited for that. This is the same exact quartz. And look at how beautiful. And then it has the dangling ball there too. I just love these colors together, and it matches it exactly. So you could wear this, and this all together if you got both of them, you know, just saying. Let's go ahead and put this one on. Oh, they're like fitting me perfectly now, so I can't just slip it through. I can't just slip it through like I used to before. She's got my right size now, so hold on. And that is another thing, like if you select a size and the first box you get it's too small or too big, you can just write to her and then she'll adjust it for the next box moving forward until you get the exact size that you're wanting. So there's that. Again, I used to have these really big. I can just put them on, same with these, but she's actually adjusted them to where now they fit me perfectly. But look at those colors, you guys. So again, it's the same exact quartz. I don't need to read it again since I read it the first time for you guys. But oh my gosh, that is absolutely beautiful. I'm loving them. Look at how beautiful. And that's another thing. I love to see what crystals being used, what color combination we're going to get. So this is absolutely beautiful. Like blacks and whites, goes with anything. Goes with anything, you guys. Look at how beautiful. And then you got your little mushroom over here to mix in. And then where's my healing crystal? There's my healing crystal as well. Everything matches, like all the colors match. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. I love it. So now that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. You have this wrap bracelet, and then you have this essential oil roller ball in here as well. All right, you guys. So now that is everything for the manifestation box and now the Mother Earth Wrap Club for November. Comment down below and let me know which one did you like better. Did you like the wrap bracelet, or do you, because they're the same stone, but which style? Do you like the wrap or the regular? Do you like this little mushroom necklace? Definitely let me know which one would you prefer to have if you only got one of them, the wrap bracelet or the manifestation box. Let me know. I'm interested to see what you guys would choose. So if you like a little bit more information about these boxes, I will let you know right about now. Again, I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 20% off all of their individual products and your first box if you get either or of these subscription boxes. So this monthly subscription box is for everyone who wants to manifest living happy and was born with the desire to spread positivity and aid in conscious living. If you like to do this month per month, it is $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. A 6-month plan will bring it down to $34, and a full 12-month prepaid plan will bring it down to $33 per month. So now for the Mother Earth Wrap Club, it is the same pricing month to month. It is $39. Every 3 months would be $36. 6 months would be $34, and the full 12-month prepaid plan will bring it down to $33 per box. And again, you get the Mother Earth Wrap bracelet and some little mystery item in there as well as a gift for you. So that is awesome. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, they will be linked down below if you like to check them out, and SheCrafty will save you that 20% off. If you ever forget or you want to see other discount codes, more information about me or my animals, you can always go anytime to my website, which is SheCrafty.com, and you can view anything on there 24/7. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.